Hey yo, what is going on everyone? I'm here on Binance.com once again, and I'm just going to show you guys a brand new offer that Binance is giving out to their users, which is $100 welcome offer. So if you guys sign up to my referral code today, you will receive $100 welcome offer on sign up. So it's pretty easy. I'll show you guys how to do it step by step. But if you read over here, it says sign up and claim your reward today, available to affiliate referrals only. So I'm a affiliate referral, and I can give you guys this referral code. Will give you $100 welcome bonus if you guys sign up to this code. So all you gotta do is first open an account, verify your identity, complete your tasks, and claim your rewards. So the first step what we're gonna do is open an account. Basically, press register at the top right. Pretty simple. You click register, you put where do you live. So I live in Canada, I press confirm. And the most important part right here is you click on referral ID optional. Now the referral ID ranges from it's a 6 letter word, and most people have a referral ID onto their account, but different referral IDs do different things. So I'm going to show you guys the referral ID that I just generated that gives you $100 um, welcome bonus. And if you guys enter this referral code, you guys will receive $100 welcome bonus. So the referral code is 11792222. All you gotta do is enter this referral code under the optional section, and you will receive $100 bonus. Now let's go back and see what else they ask you to do. So once you have registered, put the referral code 11792222 in it, open your account. Now you can verify your identity, which is basically Binance's KYC. So know your customer. All you gotta do is post an ID documentation like a driver license or a passport. And once you verify your identity, you have to complete some tasks, which is basically very, very simple. Once your account is all set up, you visit the task center to view the 3 welcome offer tasks, along with additional instruction on what you need to do to claim your reward. And bam, you get $100 reward at the end of all this. This might take around a day for Binance to check over your identification process, but you will receive $100 guaranteed. No scam, because literally I'm on Binance.com right now. People think that my videos are not truthful, but they are. I'm literally showing you guys Binance.com $100 welcome offer with my new code 11792222. Yeah, so all you gotta do is once again open an account, verify your identity, complete your tasks after they verify your identity, and then you can claim your $100 bonus. And also, after you have your $100 bonus, you will be able to benefit with 40% off trading fees on Binance, which is the main reason to use a referral code, is that you can actually save as you trade on Binance. If you're a daily trader or even a monthly trader, you can save a little bit here and there with the 40% off fees just by using the code anyway. So $100 plus that. It's a pretty good deal if you ask me. Anyways, just gotta go over it one more time. Register, put where you live, the code 11792222. Then when you register, make sure you go through the KYC process, do the tasks they ask you, and you'll receive $100. Pretty self-explanatory. And I hope you guys trade responsibly. Don't use future leverage. Honestly, um, future leverage trading is very, very risky, and people have lost a lot of money doing so. So just stick to Binance, invest in some coins that you think are going to moon, or if you just want to be safe, invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB, the top coins right now. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.